Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to verify and boost your earning using Twitter verification. Click on the pointing arrow to continue. Step 1. Check the example in number 1. Step 2. Click on number 4 to ensure copying the right from on the clipboard. Now go to your X social account. Search for Sunwave token and quote on the pinned post. Input Sunwave token in the search box. Scroll up to like and quote the post. Now paste the copied text from the Sunwave application in number 4. You have done a great job. Post now and go to your profile. Now copy the link to your post and go back to your Sunwave application for verification. Paste the copied link to your post on X and confirm.